Hi writers, Mr. Hagen again. Today I want to teach you that literary nonfiction writers revise their illustrations too. Not just the writing, they think about how their pictures tell the story and how their pictures teach people. So today you're going to do a before and after, and I did one just to show you what it looks like. First, you need to remember some of the illustration strategies we've learned this year and practiced. So don't forget you have different views that you can use. Bird's eye, worm's eye, front view, back view, or side view. You practice drawing people with ovals and sticks that you can change. I wish some of you had your notebooks with you, but I bet some of you remember. The comic illustration is where you show time passing. So maybe you break the picture into 2 parts or 3 parts or even 4 parts. Don't forget the cutoff, just show 1 part. Zooming in and zooming out can be really helpful. You can always take a picture you've drawn and turn it into a diagram, which is a picture with labels. And also, you can show movement with lines. So just giving you some options. Okay, now I want to show you my before and after. And I know that my before is a little blurry, but my before just had this snake here and my eagle soaring high up in the sky. My after, I kind of changed into a before and after, or I changed it into a 2-part picture. So first, I drew a background and I labeled this top illustration. This is the eagle soaring using its keen eyes to scan for prey, and I even added this kind of like scope looking thing to just show that the eagle is really looking hard. Then I used some movement lines to show that this eagle is swooping. And I added those labels too. And here I just am showing some details. And then I had some extra space, and you can do this. You can section off a part of your page and add a diagram. So I thought I would label some of the things. All right, writers. I want to give you 3 choices. The easiest thing to do today would just be pick 1 page, the page you think that needs revision the most, and choose 1 or 2 of the strategies to make your page more entertaining and have your page teach people more. The next option, 2 chilies, choose 2 pages, and then make sure that 2 or 3 strategies are happening on each page. If you're looking for a challenge or you already have some great illustrations, do a before and after for 3 pages. Use at least 3 strategies on each page. Can't wait to see what you do. Enjoy.